Best travel credit cards in 2025 for maximizing points and perks. In 2025, the travel credit card landscape is more competitive than ever. With travel rebounding globally and more people prioritizing experiences over things, credit card issuers are offering better rewards, higher point values, and improved perks. Whether you're a frequent flyer, a luxury traveler, or someone planning a big vacation, the right travel credit card can make a huge difference. Not only saving you money, but also enhancing your entire travel experience. This guide will walk you through the best travel credit cards of 2025, focusing on maximum points earning potential and valuable travel perks. What to look for in a travel credit card. Before diving into the top cards, it's important to understand what makes a travel card worthwhile. High rewards rate on travel spending, generous welcome bonuses, flexible redemption options, points transfer, travel portals, etc. Perks like lounge access, TSA pre-check, global entry credit, and hotel elite status, no foreign transaction fees. Let's look at the best cards in different categories. 1. Chase Sapphire Preferred Card, why it's great in 2025. This long-time favorite remains one of the best mid-tier travel cards due to its strong point value, flexible redemption options, and relatively low annual fee. Welcome bonus: 75,000 Chase Ultimate Rewards points after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months. Rewards. Rate: 5 times on travel booked through Chase Ultimate Rewards, 3 times on dining, streaming services, and online grocery purchases, 2 times on all other travel, 1 time on everything else. Annual fee: $95. Perks: 25% more value when points are redeemed through Chase Ultimate Rewards, access to Chase travel partners like Hyatt, United, and Singapore Airlines. Best for beginners or intermediate travelers who want flexibility and value without paying a premium. 2. Chase Sapphire Reserve. Why it's great in 2025, the premium sibling to the Sapphire Preferred. This card is built for frequent travelers who value luxury and flexibility. Welcome bonus: 80,000 points after spending $4,000 in 3 months. Rewards rate: 10x on hotels and car rentals booked through Chase, 5x on flights through Chase, 3x on general travel and dining. Annual fee: $550. Perks: 300 annual travel credit priority pass lounge access, global entry TSA pre-check, credit primary car rental insurance, travel protection, and trip cancellation insurance. Best for frequent travelers looking for both convenience and luxury. 3. American Express Gold Card. Why it's great in 2025. The Gold Card continues to stand out for food lovers who travel, offering outstanding points on dining and groceries, along with valuable travel rewards. Welcome bonus: 60,000 membership rewards points after spending $4,000 in the first 6 months. Rewards rate: 4 times on restaurants, including takeout, 4 times at US supermarkets, up to $25,000 per year, 3 times on flights booked directly with airlines or on Amex Travel, 1 time on everything else. Annual fee: $250. Perks: $120 dining credit, $10 per month. No foreign transaction fees. Access to membership rewards travel partners like Delta, Air Canada, ANA. Best for foodies and domestic travelers who also want strong travel transfer partners. 4. Capital One Venture X Rewards Credit Card. Why it's great in 2025. Capital One's premium card offers flat rate rewards, luxury travel perks, and excellent transfer partners, making it a direct competitor to Chase and Amex. Welcome bonus: 75,000 miles after spending $4,000 in 3 months. Rewards rate: 10x on hotels and rental cars through Capital One Travel, 5x on flights through Capital One Travel, 2x on all other purchases. Annual fee: $395. Perks: $300 annual travel credit, Capital One Travel, 10,000-mile anniversary bonus priority pass, and Capital One Lounge. Access TSA PreCheck Global Entry Credit Best 4, those who want premium perks without a $550+ fee. 5. The Platinum Card from American Express, why it's great in 2025. The king of luxury travel cards, the Platinum Card is unmatched when it comes to travel benefits, though it carries a hefty fee. Welcome bonus, 100,000 membership rewards points after spending $6,000 in 6 months. Rewards rate 5x on flights, booked directly or through Amex Travel, 5x on hotels, Amex Travel 1x on other purchases. Annual fee $695. Perks, extensive airport lounge access, Centurion, Priority Pass, Delta Sky Club. Up to $200 airline fee credit, $189 Clear Plus credit, Hilton and Marriott Gold Elite. Status concierge service and travel protections, best for luxury travelers who frequently fly and stay in premium hotels.